Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah and I'm so excited to have you here today. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 crockpot recipes. I'm sure there's some that you are already familiar with, or maybe you've made them before, but these recipes I found on Pinterest, and there's a few extra ingredients that I feel just kind of make them a little bit different or spice things up a little bit, if you will. These are 3 cozy recipes that I'll be sharing with you, and I'm also super excited to share that this video is also a collaboration with my awesome friend Charity, and her channel is Momming with Charity. So after y'all watch this, make sure you go check her out and let her know that you came from my channel. I'll have the link to her channel and her video down below for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is everything we need for this beef stew recipe. It's pretty simple. The only prep work you have to do is we will have to dice the potatoes into chunks, dice up the carrots and the celery, but as far as dicing things up, that's all we have to do. I did find this at Aldi. This meat, it's already diced up, so that's one less thing you have to do, but the recipe does call for browning the meat first in a skillet just for a few minutes. You don't have to cook it through, obviously, because the crock pot's going to do the dirty work for us. So that's the only thing we have to do before throwing it all in the crock pot. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are all the ingredients that you'll need for the Crockpot Chili, and this recipe is seriously amazing. It is just so good. I wanted to point out that I chose to use ground turkey with this recipe whenever I made it, but you can totally use ground beef if you'd like. I found this Italian sausage at Aldi, and I felt like that really is what made a big difference. And then we've got hot sauce, an onion, Worcestershire sauce, a red pepper, the beef broth, all of our beans. We've got the kidney beans, pinto beans, diced tomatoes, and then I did decide to add one of the diced tomatoes with the fire roasted just to add a little bit of an extra kick to it, which made it really, really good. I've got tomato sauce, tomato paste, salt and pepper, and then we also have our minced garlic, and then all of our other spices here. And as always, I'll have, the brown sugar too. I'll have the link down below to this recipe for you. So this apple crisp recipe is super easy and simple. These are the only ingredients you'll need to make it. For today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I just appreciate each and every one of you so much. If you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, just a reminder, don't forget to go check out Charity's channel and her video and subscribe to her as well. Thanks again so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.